Rishika, Delhi government spokesperson has confirmed to NDTV saying that the Safdarjung Hospital, until Tuesday morning, they had reported only 4 deaths with the State Department. So only after State Department has been insisting on providing regular data from the Safdarjung Hospital, on Tuesday evening, Safdarjung Hospital had sent a list of 52 deaths to the Delhi government, and Delhi government death audit committee is actually analyzing that particular report. So when we spoke to this Safdarjung Hospital chief, Dr. Balvinder Singh, he has given us a breakup. That is, he is saying is that from February 1st to May 16th, there have been 52 or 53 deaths in Safdarjung Hospital. From May 17 to May 27 is somewhere around 17 deaths. So taking a total of 70 deaths, that is only COVID deaths. Also, there have bse 33 COVID-related deaths. That is, all these patients who have died has also tested positive, but their primary cause of death is not per se COVID, because they had other ailments also. So those deaths are somewhere around 33. So 70 plus 33 is 103 deaths. Whereas as per Delhi government, as per the bulletin, medical bulletin, what we are seeing from the Delhi government has only 4 deaths from the Safdarjung Hospital is reflecting in the Delhi government bulletin. So that shows around 99 deaths have gone without being reported in the public, in the bulletin that is being released every day by the Delhi government. That has come to the public domain also. So this is where the very important question arises. So when we asked him why is such a discrepancy, what he is saying is that earlier Safdarjung Hospital was providing the data regularly only to the Union Health Ministry. Only very late, Delhi government started collecting the data, and it's just a miscommunication. What he is insisting is that all these 103 deaths have happened over a period of time, including this 33 deaths with other ailments. So this is a very important question. If this is the case, if Health Ministry knows this, if the Health Ministry has the data, then why didn't the Health Ministry alert the state government? Because state government, even if going by his own argument that the Delhi state government started collecting the data very late, but according to his own statement, he has been providing the data to the Union Health Ministry. So even in that case, Union Health Ministry should have alerted the state government, because it's a central government hospital.